Hi, I'm Eloise McCree, a patient of Dr. Benjamin. But just a quick, I'm 71 years old, that's a blessing. But when I started here in April of 2021, just a few weeks before that, I had gone to um, orthopedic. And my comfort each night, because at that time I was still working, but my comfort each night was a heating pad. So when I went to the orthopedic and I got an injection, I knew that was not something I could get every 3 or 4 months. So I was referred to Dr. Benjamin. But the part about it, Dr. Benjamin had been referred to me over 15 years from my aunt and uncle who are still patients of his. So I said, hey, why not? So I came to Dr. Benjamin, and the first time that I met him, it was just amazing. So I followed instructions and the long process, but every process it helped. But one thing about him is just his attitude. Such a Christian guy. He's caring. You know, when he comes in, how you doing? He remembers. He's so personal, remembering your name. And not only was I getting some assistance from my back, but I always felt better when I left him. I always felt uplifted. I referred to people to Dr. Benjamin. In fact, my neighbor, of course, is coming now. And I'm sure there are some others. But he's really, really been helpful. Some days when I come, I'm not as painful, but I get to see Dr. Benjamin. I get to talk to Dr. Benjamin. So that's been just a plus. I also, when I came to, as I said, it was the back pain, but it was my lower back down my right side, right thigh. And when we started working, I'm like, I don't know whether I can deal with this, but it was amazing. You know, I followed the instructions. When I started, I had to do the ice pack 3 times a day. Short, I had to walk, which I was doing walking anyway. And that was one thing Dr. Benjamin was saying. He said, I see you work out. He said, I see you watch your weight. He said, we just have to get this adjusted. So that is what I did. I will continue to be coming. I started in April of 2021. And of course, I continue to come. And because that's one of my helpmates, I say. My ice pack has become my second best friend. So I continue to do that. Of course, I'm able to walk. Dr. Benjamin said, this will not happen on my watch. He said, I want you to do the things that you enjoy doing, which I enjoy working out, which I enjoy dancing, and I'm up to 100,000 steps a week. So I'm really pleased about that. But I do know when I get that lower pain, know what to do. He also stressed about watching the stress. You know, stress really, people don't realize, but stress really has a toll on the body. I'm the 4th generation of arthritis, but I'm determined, of course, without the surgeries, I want to continue to do what I enjoy doing. Finally, I would still again, I recommend Dr. Benjamin to as many as can come. I was a little reluctant about a chiropractor. You know, you have these things, but I never looked back. When I started, I never looked back. And like I said, I will continue it. He's great. The team has always been good, even though they've changed team, they've always been good. So I like that too, because they're the first one to see you. So when they always welcome you in, they always say thank you, that makes a difference. Thanks.